Hey everybody, Photoman here, back with another video. This one's a little different than normal. Of course, it's getting close to Christmas and I have my Ted Lasso Christmas shirt on, just because of that. I hope everybody has a great holiday and stay safe. More importantly, I wanted to thank everybody for subscribing to the channel, for liking the videos, commenting on the videos, everything like that. Today, when I checked, I was up to 109 subscribers today. So hopefully, I can get up to, 200 or 300 in the next year, in 2025. That'd be nice. Just get more people listening and interested in the history that we have to offer here. But thanks again, and enjoy my next video, which will be, every video is on Mondays, usually about 3 or 4 in the afternoon. That's Calgary time. Yeah, so thanks a lot for watching. Thanks for tuning in to this one, and you guys have a safe holidays and a good New Year's.